This 2019 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 21G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a brown interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.